convert decimal to binary. An example is convert 70.22 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base 2. Dear students, 17.2 is decimal number. In this case, integer number integer is 17 and fractional number fractional part is 0.22. That is what you can write 0.22 means here integer part is 17 and fractional part is 0.72. First we will convert integer to binary, then see how to convert integer to binary. For integer to binary we will use divide by 2 method. Divide by 2. Which method? Divide by 2. Therefore here I will write steps. Then here I will write quotient and here I will write remainder. Q for quotient, R for remainder. First step is what here number is 17. 17 we are using here divide by 2 method. Therefore 17 divided by 2 quotient is, dear student, 8 and 17 divided by 2 quotient is 8. 8 to the 16 and 17 minus 16 is remainder is equal to 1. Then we will divide this quotient 8 again by 2. Therefore here we will write here 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4 and 8 by 2 is 4 and remainder is what? 0. Then take 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 quotient is again 2 and again remainder is what? 0. Then take this 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is quotient is 1 and remainder is what? 0. And hence take 1 divided by 2. 1, dear student, 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Is what? 0.5. Okay, and therefore for this case if your answer is 0.5, dear student, my request is always write quotient equal to 0 and remainder is what? 1. Okay, and then stop your process. And for this case, for conversion of integer to binary, dear student, always take from bottom to top. Bottom to top. Okay, and therefore for integer 17 to the base 2 is equal to use bottom to top. Which method? Bottom to top. 1 0 0 0 1. Then we write 1 0 0 0 1 to the base. This is the conversion of integer to binary. Then we will see fractional part. How to convert fractional part. Now see, I will divide into two parts. Then fractional part is 0.2 and we will use method multiplication by 2. Which method? Multiplication by 2. Therefore fractional part is 0.22. Okay, here I will write I for integer and here I for integer. Therefore multiplication by 2. 0.22 into 2 is equal to, dear student, 0.44. 0.44. And in this case, the integer is what? 0. Then take 0.44 into 2. Answer is 0.88. Then the integer is what? 0. Then take this part, only fractional part, that is 0.88 into 2. And dear student, 0.88 into 2 is about 1.76. 1.76. In this case, now integer is what? 1. Therefore, write 1. Then take only 0.56. 76 into what? 2. Therefore, 0.76 into 2 is about 1.52. Is what? 1.52. Then take only integer part and then multiply 2 with fractional part is what? 0.52. And 0.52 into 2 is equal to 1.04. Again, dear student, integer part is 1, remaining fractional point is 0.04 into 2, that is 0.08. And again, here integer part is 0. Then take 0.08 into 2, that is 0.16. And what? Integer is what? 0. And dear student, I will divide this. Okay, and solve this up to, lastly you will get the multiplication is what? 0. But in this case you will get the long answer, and for this only write first 6 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6. And for conversion of fractional to binary, dear student, use which method? Top to bottom. Top to bottom. For conversion of fractional to binary number. And for this case we can write here 0.22 to the base 10 is equal to 00111 00111 0. Okay, dot 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 to the base 2. And therefore finally you can write final answer. Therefore combining, therefore 70.22 is equal to, for 17 we will write this part 1000 1 point, write these numbers, that is 00111. Dear student, 1, or write minimum 6 numbers after decimal point. Okay, and this is about the conversion of decimal to binary. Okay, write minimum 6 number after decimal point. And thus, if here base is 10 and here base is 2, is the conversion. Thank you all.